Hey you guys, today on this beautiful little princess, I'm going to be doing some gorgeous tribal braids, so stay tuned.
Braids is on the beat.
So I'm going to show you guys a couple of my little products I like to use and my parting technique. So I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and like. What I like about the tribal braids is that it's summertime and it's individuals in the back and cornrows in the front, so it's really easy maintenance for your kid to be swimming and playing a lot because the braids last long. You could put it in a ponytail and it's very versatile, so this is a very cute summer friendly style. So one of my techniques for feathering the ends is I like to use my thinning shears and I just slightly trim the bottom to the desired length so it's tapered so the braids don't unravel, and also so that it looks more feathered at the end. Sometimes some of the hair is not coming feathered, some does, but most brands are starting to come with feathered tips, so it's so much easier. But I still like to taper mine a little bit just so the ends don't unravel, especially with this curled end look. I just don't like it really thick at the bottom, so I like to kind of thin out the bottom so the bottoms are perfect. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how they do the HD parting, which is basically you taking some edge control or gel of your choice, mostly edge control because it has that waxy consistency, and you part it on, you apply the product on your part, and then you're able to part so much cleaner and neater. It is more control for the hair and it makes your parts look so much better and so much more neater. So while I'm doing these braids in the back, I just want to tell you guys and anybody with kids, make sure that if they're swimming this year, please rinse out the chlorine of their hair. You do not want your little kids' hair to be breaking off, being extra dry and brittle after they take these braids out. So just because it's put up in a protective style does not mean that it does not need to be rinsed or ran through with some water real quick. It will not loosen the braids. It just try to do like a just quick rinse on their hair, you know, just take a couple of minutes while they're in the tub or in the shower, and just even tell them, you know, rinse your hair out real good because you do not want that chlorine to sit in their hair.
Braids is on the beat.
after I'm done with the back, I'm going to start with the feeding braids in the front. And I already have my hair laid out, separated, and stretched. And I'm just going to do the feeding methods really for this top braid. And I'm just going to take my small pieces and slowly add them in.
Braids is on the beat.
Once I start braiding the hair down, and if it's not long enough, I'll just start to add more braiding hair as I braid down to make sure that the length is all even at the bottom.
Braids is on the beat.
For the rest of them, I'm just going to start it off by using braiding hair. I'm going to start the braid with a small piece just so that the braids last a little longer because like I said, she swims a lot. So I like to start the braids with a small piece of braiding hair also, not just their hair, so it can last longer. that I'm done, I'm going to take my perm rod, any size. I like the small ones. I don't have no more gray, so I'm just going to use pink and blue mixed in because they're both towards the same size. And you're just going to wrap just the loose part of the hair at the ends. You're not going to do the whole braid if you want. It's not that much room because it's kind of long because she wants a ponytail. So I'm just going to wrap the bottoms where the loose hair is for the curls. Kind of giving that goddess look that everybody's wearing. And you know, it's cute for a ponytail, cute curly, a little girl style. So that's why I like it, because it's girly and it's still kid friendly. I love to use mousse after every braid style because it just locks in your hair with the braids, and it also tames frizz. So if your hair gets old, just put some mousse on it and wrap it up, and it'll keep the frizz down to maintain your style and keep it looking fresh always.